in place. Here we have 102 amps right there from a finely tuned calibration machine. Alright, what you just saw was an amp clamp measuring higher amperage. And as you can see, I had the amp clamp on ground wire, and you saw amperage, 80 amps about. And then I had it actually the stick from the stick welder through it, proving that amperage is throughout the whole circuit. There was 2 different times, but you get the point. Now right here we've got this little test box I made for something else. Don't worry about it. But I have my meter in series with the power coming in and all the devices here. Now check it out. It's in series. I have my meter, common, in milliamps and microamps set right there. And we're up here. When you first turn it on, it's AC. Change it to DC. Now watch. One light is 3.83 milliamps. The other light, around the same. 3.72. Push them both at the same time. They add up together. So, if you put these leads anywhere in this circuit, you'll get the same. If you put it on the negative, you'll get the same exact reading. But I don't feel like doing that because it's Thanksgiving. Time to go home. So,